You're already shooting the photos that could become 6 days of video content, but you're leaving that revenue on the table. Agents pay for one cinematic video, post it once, and then they're stuck. They're stuck recycling the same listing photos for the next week. I'm going to show you how to turn those existing photos into a social reel 6-pack that increases your average order value by $50 to $150 per shoot without adding a single minute on site. Agents need consistent posting to keep their listings visible, but they don't have time to create content. One video gets posted once, then sits unused. They're not going to repost the same video 3 days later. It looks desperate. So what happens? They fall back to generic photo posts. They get zero engagement. The gap is real between expensive cinematic video at $200 to $500 and basic photo posts. There's nothing between. In the social media world, video is number one right now. So what can we do to stand out and help our realtors stand out? Well, I got the perfect solution. Rendy. Rendy, this is the platform I have found that it is amazing. It is different from slideshow videos we've all seen before. It uses beat syncing, speed ramps, and AI generated motion like water ripples, fireplace flames, and more. All you have to do is upload 20 photos and it generates 6 unique videos with different music tracks and pacing. Each one feels fresh. The visual effect hooks are awesome, like day to night, the house drop, earth zoom. These are what stopped the scroll on social media. These videos have impact, and the feedback I've been getting is absolutely amazing. Well, here's the gateway drug effect. Agents who never ordered video before now see the value and upgrade to these cinematic packages on their next listing. I've had this happen 3 times in the last month. They start with a social media reel pack on the listing, and they see the engagement, and then order a full cinematic treatment on their listing. On the next one, they love it. They're getting eyeballs on their listing. This isn't just a cool tool, it's a high margin product that requires 0 extra time on site. You're already shooting the photos. Rendy just reformats them into 6 additional deliverables. The real win is it keeps your clients posting, which keeps their listings visible, which leads to more inquiries and faster sales. When agents see results, they also become repeat buyers. The profit margin is huge. You, the media provider, it costs about $15 per listing. If you're doing a bulk plan, selling these at about $75, and you can create a package, I deliver everything by the next morning. Same as my photo workflow. No extra delay, no extra complexity. It works amazing. Now, why it works as a package builder, agents who see results with videos and these reels become video buyers, not just photo buyers. They're not just buying more content, they're buying into the idea that video drives results. Once they see their listings get more inquiries because they posted 6 days in a row instead of 1, they're hooked. That's when they start asking about drone footage, cinematic walkthroughs, and premium editing. The social reel 6-pack is the entry point. Let's talk about Rendy. Rendy is a photographer's only product, which protects your margin. Agents can't access it directly, so they have to come through you. The workflow is stupid easy. Upload 20 photos. Choose portrait if you want to do vertical, and then it takes, on average, 5 minutes to render all these videos. You get 6 videos automatically, each with different music and different pacing. The videos can range from 30 seconds to over a minute, and I found the longer tracks better for engagement. They give Instagram's algorithm more time to push the reel, and agents get more watch time per post. The visual effects options are where this tool separates itself from basic slideshows. Day to night creates a virtual dusk effect. Turns lights on, sky changes. It looks like you shot at golden hour. There's a house drop, which makes the property drop from the ground. Earth zoom starts with a satellite view and zooms right into the listing. It's really cool. You get multiple visual effects per project, so you can use them strategically on your hero shots, with your exteriors, your main living spaces. Don't waste them on bathrooms and laundry rooms. Now, for music selection, they have a huge library of tracks. You can select your favorites. Rendy's library has tracks that create fast, punchy cuts. Great for social media and others. For myself, I like the longer tracks, 30 to to 60 seconds and that sound very nice, and I favored them. The speed ramps and beat syncing, it's all automatic. The reels feel energetic, elegant. Rendy is an amazing product that creates not only visual impact, but the audio and the syncing makes you feel excited about watching this video and keeps engagement there. Now you might be asking, editing, can I edit? Well, definitely. You can go through all 6 of your clips, add text overlays, you can change the property address, create a custom feel. It is amazing. It keeps getting better and better with time. With all these features and everything, how long do I spend? I upload the 20 photos, about 10-15 minutes later, honestly, I'm done. And I could turn around these photos and these video reels by the next morning, as I promised to my clients. Another feature that you should know about is you can put a branding outro. And this is where it really makes it feel premium. Rendy lets you upload a 5-second video clip that gets added to the end of all your videos. I create these little 5-second clips in CapCut. So I use the realtor's photo, their information, and it's just a great outro. It is saved in Rendy under your branding, and then in the future, you just call up the agent's name, pop in their branding, and you're golden. It is amazing. I love this. It adds a little extra to help close that sale and a call to action that realtors love. Even though agents don't have direct access to Rendy, you can white label this product on your order form. So when you put this in your shopping cart, you're probably asking, well, what should I call this? Well, here's a few examples that other media companies have used. The 3X Reel Pack, Photo to Video Bundle, Image to Video Bundle, Boost Reels, Rendy Videos, Video Renders. Pick whatever fits your brand and makes sense to your clients. I personally call mine the Social Reel 6-Pack because it's clear what they're getting. 6 reels ready to post across social media. The math on this is simple, and it's the reason this product is a no-brainer for your business. You have 2 options: sell it as an add-on or bake it into your packages. As an add-on, if you sell this Social Reel 6-Pack, just selling 5 of those packs per month at $75, that's an extra $4,500 in extra revenue per year. If you scale that up, you sell 20 per month, you're looking at $18,000 per year. That's real money for a product that requires 0 additional shooting time. Now, if you want to build a package around this, I personally built my own package. What did I call it? The Social Media Plus package. By putting in a package, it makes it easy. You just sell it. You got everything for the listing. You got everything for social media. It is awesome. In the first month alone, I sold about 20 of these, and I am super excited about it. And my realtors are super excited. They always want to stand out in the crowd, get more listings. So another strategy you can use is by over delivering. So you sell it as 3 reels, but you deliver all 6. Agents love the surprise, and it builds loyalty. Your cost stays the same whether you deliver 3 or 6, so the math doesn't change. You're just creating a better client experience. Top producing media companies bake Rendy into their packages right from the start. That's the strongest move because it increases your perceived value and makes your packages more competitive without requiring any client education. They just see it listed as included content and recognize they're getting more bang for their buck. So another way to reach out and sell these products is look at listings that are sitting. And here's an easy win. After everything's done, reach out to the agents who you've already photographed for. Say, I want to help you. I see this has been listed for a few weeks. Here's what I offer. Let's do one of these reel packs. We'll push some video out on your social media. Build some excitement. Your client will love it. So how do you let your clients know that you've added this? Well, I use email. I send an email to my clients. Here's a new product. Here's some samples. This is how it works. This is what it costs. Easy email, short, sweet, and visuals so they can see it. So if you're not offering AI Reels, you're leaving money on the table. Agents need this content and they're willing to pay for it. High margins, 0 extra time on site. Any photographer shooting listings who wants to increase their average order value without adding complexity to their workflow should be using this. I have a link in the show notes. This is my affiliate link, helps pay for this channel. I definitely strongly recommend you use that. It's also going to be on the screen here. If you love this, subscribe to my channel and I'll be offering more of my advice to help you earn more money with your real estate business. Thanks.